Hello and welcome to the Daily GEX Bible. Good to have you back. I'm Maya. It's Friday, June 5, 9:40 a.m. ET. Here with GEX for the SPX opening bell structural read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. First things first, what follows is a structural read of SPX GEX data for education only, not financial advice.
Confirmed. We're not advisors. Nothing here is a recommendation. You trade your own risk. All right, let's dig in.
So GEX, what are we looking at this morning?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is minus 277.1 million. Regime is negative. Spot is 7,530, above the flip at 7,525.
What does that tell us about the day?
Means dealers are amplifying moves and the walls are softer than they look. That's the through line for the whole session.
Levels panel. Start at the top and walk us down.
On the levels panel, look up first, a call wall stack at 7575. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 7530. You can see a put wall stack at 7525 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
So we're boxed between 7525 and 7575?
That's the box, Maya. First touch on either side is where today's story starts.
What's the trigger that tells us the day's read?
Any break of the put wall. Negative gamma means there's no friction below. If it goes fast.
Bear case, bull case, go.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 75.25 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 75.15. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 75.75 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 75.85. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
Reminder, structural reads, not recommendations. Read your own SPX structure.
Right. Read the structure yourself. Trade your own risk.
All right, that's it for the morning. We'll be back after the close. GEX.
Trade your own risk. The dealer has to come back, and come back, and come back. We'll see you at 4:30.
Subscribe if today's structural read was useful. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Goodbye, and we'll be back this afternoon.
And before we go, one to leave you with. Gamma is the math that makes the dealer come back, and come back, and come back. Without it, the tape would be quiet. With it, the tape is alive. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.